Hey there, today I have this hat to share with you guys, and this is gonna be a good one because it's gonna help keep all of those mosquitoes away while you're trying to enjoy the outdoors. This is gonna be great for fishing and hiking and all those other outdoor activities. Let's take a closer look at it. So to start with, you can see that it has this nice wide brim that's gonna help keep you protected from the sunlight. And that being said, this hat is UPF 50 plus, meaning it's gonna prevent up to 98% of those UVA and UVB rays from reaching you. This hat is gonna fit most people, and on those windy days, it has this cinch underneath the chin that can be adjusted to keep it on. To keep the sun off your neck, it also has a flap that is stored up in the top of the hat that can be let down to cover you from getting any sunlight directly over your back of your neck. I did say this was going to help keep those mosquitoes away from you, so when needed, there's actually a hidden pocket that keeps the mosquito net wrapped up in it until needed. All you have to do is let it down and then cinch the net up against you to keep those bugs away. When you're all done, roll it back up into the hat using the snaps to keep it in place. This hat is great for those sunny days as well as those days that there's some rain, because as you can see, that water just beads right off. This outdoor hat comes in multiple colors, so it's going to be good for guys and girls if you are looking for a hat for all of those outdoor adventures and you don't want to let the sun or the rain or bugs get in your way. Then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good hat for you.